Where's the toilet?
It might be just the bit that you're looking at.
Hi, I'm Laura Battersby. I teach architecture at Falmouth University. We're here today with first year architecture students and we're working on a live build community project with Brickfield. Brickfield is a community interest company run by Rosanna Martin, and we're in this amazing landscape today in a disused china clay pit.
Brickfield is research-driven participatory brickworks. We use waste materials from the china clay industry to teach people how to make bricks by hand.
We were tasked as a year to create in groups this shelter for a brick workshop. Our client really wanted to have the biodiversity as a key part of the project.
As part of the brief, we introduced the idea of a slow build, that the elements that kind of go into making the whole workshop could be made as some of the educational workshops that we run.
I feel much more comfortable in working with a group, and I think it's been a really good experience for me to develop those skills. When it sort of clicks and everyone combines their own ideas, you come out with these really great products.
It was really nice to learn about our strengths, weaknesses and work with that, and learn more about, the other members of my course that I haven't actually spoken to before.
Well, I absolutely love Falmouth. I've had such a good year here. It's definitely the right decision for me to come here. I go to the beach about 4 times a week.
Yeah, I love Falmouth. I love how it's filled with really unique artistic people. You can really tell that everyone who lives in Falmouth, they like to make a community. There's so many events going on done by university students. Yeah, it's lovely. Everyone's got this aura about them in Falmouth. It's just so lovely and inclusive and artsy. Yeah, I love it.